You are all these action films these days. I don't understand. Why do you like action films these days? I hope everything is fine. In case you mess up. Hey! Yeah, I will need that particular skill. That skill. Very useful.
Shuku shuku bam bam. Eni oba wo kobe. Ologi ni ti de o. Ologi ni ti de o.
Yes, now. Yes, now, Baba. See, me, I tell you personally, that package, I don't say the work. But me personally, I go. Yes, now. I know what I tell you. See, Baba, you see that man for me now, reach the top. I go.
Oh Lord, oh, save me from the line that this girl.
Hi, Rusty.
Hi, Jennifer.
Look at them. Young boys of nowadays, all they know how to do is to carry women up and down.
Where's my boyfriend?
Baby!
Boo-boo!
Baby! Oh shit! Oh shit! Last thing, my baby, last thing! Finish my baby! Finish my baby! Bloody nasty! Hey God!
Another one. Woman, up and down.
That's why my heart is a bit like do. Cause now you are true, so I am familiar.
Nasty, what did you take? I just took a drink upstairs. Wait, oh. Everyone, I'm ready for this time. Hey, alright, baby. Come. Yes, now. I know what I tell you. See, Baba, you see that man for me now. Ah, Nasty, that was for me.
What did happen inside that place? My belly, they see. Wow. Oh, thank you. Thank you, my son. Think of this.
Between Lekon and Erica.
It's very clear now, you understand now. Lekon is increment in electricity, while Erica is increment in fuel. You understand now? Because if you are sensible, you are not supposed to be asking me the difference between Lekon and Erica. What? Because Lekon and Erica, they are not the problem of this country. Are you telling me that Lekon and Erica, they are bigger than the problem we are facing today? You know that 90% of Nigeria youth, they are not even aware that they have increased the price of fuel ×2 and the price of electricity tariff ×2. Oh they are there watching Big Brother. You are, asking me about Lekon and Erica. You know that these people are very wicked. They are aware that when they increase the electricity tariff, we go and buy fuel to own generator. And now they have increased the price of fuel, which means darkness is our portion. And very soon, I know that in this country, the government will soon increase the price of darkness because that is what they want for us. My brother, if it continues like this, very soon we will not be able to afford the electricity to watch Big Brother and even buy fuel to watch the Big Brother. No wonder Abraham Lincoln said you can fool some of the people all the time and some of the time all the people, and you cannot fool all the people all the time. But in Nigeria, it is possible to fool all the people all the time. Yes, Nigeria youth are not even aware of what is happening in this country.
But sir, that was not the question I asked you. I asked you what is the difference between Lekon and Erica.
You be mumu. Is Lekon and Erica the problem of this country? I will slap you now. I swear to God, I will slap you if you ask me that kind of rubbish question again. Do you know that immediately Erica was evicted from the Big Brother house, they went to go and open a GoFundMe account for Erica. And all the Nigerian fans of Erica started contributing. What? I swear to God, if anybody comes online to beg me for 2,000 naira again, to beg me for giveaway, or beg me for 1,000 naira again, I will ASU will strike that person, because I know that ASU strike more than thunder. ASU will strike the person. They all have money. That is why they all have money. They'll come online and be begging. If they don't have money, they will not be contributing that 2,000 and 1,000 naira to go and fund Erica. Because the problem of this country is bigger than Erica and Lekon. It's bigger than Erica and Lekon. The energy they channel in supporting or in arguing for Erica and Lekon, let them channel that energy. Let us come together. Instead of opening a GoFundMe account, let us open open a go defend ourselves WhatsApp group. If you are waiting for me to talk about Erica and Lekon, you don't know what you are doing. You don't know what you are doing. Gullible and myopic citizens everywhere. Misplaced priority. What is the meaning of this that is happening in this country? I'm not on the side of Erica. I'm not on the side of Lekon. I'm on the side of making Nigeria a greater country for us to live in. But the matter of them all, the general overseer of them all is laziness. Because it's only a lazy person that will stay awake to watch the people that are sleeping. Because you are waiting for them. You are waiting for a moment where they will have sex. You want to see if there will be any hanky panky. If two people will have sex tonight, you are waiting for people to move under the duvet. You are so that because you are viewing, somebody cannot move again. The big brother, somebody that is sleeping. Even if you see one person under the duvet stretching their body, you say it's sex. You are waiting for them to have sex. Even married men and women. If you want sex, go and buy blue film. Stop staying awake in midnight to watch people that are sleeping because you are waiting for them to have sex. Buy blue film and watch. Shame on you people. Electricity don't high, tariff don't high. You are talking about Lekon and this thing. Very soon now they will increase fuel to 20,000 naira. They will increase the electricity to 1 million naira per this thing. You are talking about Erica and Lekon there. We are in this country together. We will see the people that will suffer, that will cry for lamentation. Any small thing, mind your business. Mind your business. God. We are all minding our business. Even to the government side, we are minding our business. Rubbish. I go come out just now.